My name is Deepthi. I am an international mathematics teacher with over 17 years of experience. In this video, I will cover the entire topic in details. So stay tuned till the end. Thank you. So, the today's topic is factorization when given expression is difference of 2 square. Means we have given the 2 square. So, always remember the identity number 3. We have learned it before. A square minus b square. The identity was a plus b, a minus b. Remember? Remember this? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, for example, come to the examples. Then you will understand. So suppose question is 49x square. 49x square minus 16y square. Okay, first you have to break down this. 49 is the square of which number?
7.
7, absolutely. So how you will write it? 7x, because x is also given in the square form, right? Same 16 is the square of 4, so you can write it 4y square. Now you can see here, this is the same format. We got it, right? We got the same format?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Now how you can write it? Because 7x will act like a, okay, and 4y will act like a y. AB. So, how you can write it? 7x plus 4y. Now, use your identity. 7x plus 4y and 7x minus 4y. This is your answer. Understood? Any confusion? Just
None.
let me know. Example number 1. Now, come to the example number 2. Example number 2, if 64 minus x square. Now, 64 is the square of
8.
8, absolutely. So, you can write it x square, 8 square, and x square you can write it in this form, right? Now, again this will be a form of third identity. Because here is a negative sign and both are in square. Use your identity number 3, x, 8 minus x or 8 plus x, whatever, okay? Both are same. Now this is your answer. Understood? Yeah?
Yep.
Write down fast. Now, the next is, now we are moved to the difficulty. (48a square minus 243b square. Now, check the square of numbers. 48 is the square of? No, we don't have any square. Yeah, 48 is not a perfect square. 243 is a perfect square? No. Then what to do? Then first of all, you will check any common number between this. Any common number we can take out, just like go to the last class concept. We have taken the common number. Remember the last questions?
Yeah.
Last class. So 3 is the common number. When you take out 3, 3 times what will give 48? 16?
Yeah, 16.
3 times what will give 243? Do it fast. 81.
43 divided by 16.
80?
Yeah.
81 b square. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now can you check 16 and 81 is the perfect square now? Yes? 16 is the square of some number and 81 is also a square of number, right? So how you can write it? You can write it 16, you can write it 4a square. 81 you can write it 9b square. Alright? Any confusion in this step? Please let me know.
Let me see. I got that.
Boys, If you have any doubt, please let me know.
Yeah.
See, sometimes what you will see in the questions, they have given the direct square, like 64, like 81, like 100, 144, right? These number are, we have the direct square, 25. But sometimes we realize they don't have the direct square. Then what to do? First you will check, can we take any number out? Yes, 3 is the common number from both. So when we have taken out, then definitely 16 and 81 is the square of some number, right? 16 is the square of 4 and 81 is the square of 9. Alright?
Yeah. Yeah.
Any confusion? Now you can see here, this will be a act as A and this will be a act as B. Now you can use your identity. So how you will write it? You will write it 3, 4A plus 9B, 4A minus 9B. See bacha, any confusion, please let me know quickly, okay?
Yeah.
Now, same type of question. X cube minus 25x. 25x. Now check. They have given the perfect square. X cube is the square? No. 25 is a square of 5, right? You know it, right? But x is a square? No. Single x is not a square. Then what to do? What to do? Check. Think about it. What should we do?
Oh, you take out the
Yes.
You take out the common numbers?
Yes. So x square minus 25, right? Now it looks a perfect square, both the terms.
Yeah.
So how you will write it? We will write it x is a square form, 25 is a square form, right? Now it looks like identity number 3. So this x will act A and 5 will act B. And now substitute in your third identity, you will get your answer. So x minus 5 or x plus 5, whatever, okay, x minus 5. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now do the next question. So you will do all type of question, na? Once you will do all type of question, then you will be perfect. You will understand how type of question will arise. Okay, now the next is, we have done 4 now, 5, fifth number. Fifth number is 3x cube. Try this question for me.
Okay.
Try this question quickly.
Okay.
Now tell me, what should we do in the next step?
48 minus 3.
No, 3x cube minus 48x. Now, first of all, you have to check it here. Can anything is a perfect square? 48 is a perfect square. X is a perfect square. X cube is a perfect square. 3 is a perfect square. No. No number, no term is here is a perfect square. So, what should we do? We have to take 3x as a common. Right?
Yeah.
3x. So, what you will write it inside? 3 is already out.
48x.
X square minus?
Yeah. X squared minus 48x.
Not 48, because already we have taken out 3. So, 3 times 16 will give it 48. So, x square minus 16. Now, x square minus 16, when you write it in the square form, so x square, 16 is the square of 4. Alright?
Yeah.
Now, use your identity number 3 because x will be act like a, 4 will be act like a b. So, what is your third identity? I have written top of the board.
A squared minus b squared.
So, a plus b, a plus b is your identity. So, a is x, so x plus 4 and the second part is x minus 4. This is your answer. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, what you will do in the sixth question? See the question. It's not complicated. It's a very easy question. Just when I see in the first look, then It looks complicated but not. Why? Because x plus y is already given in the square form. X minus 2y square is already given in the square form. Other part you have to convert into the square form. So we can easily converting, because 25 is the square of 5 and 36 is the square of 6, as you know it, right? Easy. So how you will write it? Write it down. 25 means 5 x plus y. Now both the numbers you will write it in the square forms. Square, big square. Now we have put the common square, okay? Because 5 is also in the square form, x plus y is in square form. Same 36 is 6 x minus 2y square, right? Now can you realize here, this is the whole is A, this is whole is the B. Why? Because it's same like a identity number 3. Now put your identity. So A is, the calculation is different, but yeah, not the difficult. A is 5 x plus y plus 6 x minus 2y. This is your A plus B. Now come to the A minus B. A is 5 x plus y minus 6 x minus 2y. See, this is your identity. This is A plus B. This is A minus B. We have used here the third identity, which is A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. I used here A plus B, A minus B. Now we will simplify and write your answer in the simple form. So write it down. 5x plus 5y. Use the distributive property here, okay? 6x minus 12y. Here 5x plus 5y minus 6x plus 12y. Okay, now you can you will simplify with the expression method. Remember the expression addition, 5x and 6x will be 11x, right?
Yeah.
5y minus 12y will be
17y.
Beta minus 5y minus 12y.
Minus will be like
Negative 7y, right? Now this part is done. Come to the next part. 5x minus 6x will be the minus x. 12y plus 5y is the 17y. So 17y minus x. This is your final answer. It looks complicated but very easy. Now see the 7th and 8th question. It's given in the different form. It's given in the numbers form only, no variable, okay? You have to evaluate the question. So as you can see the identity number 3, it's just like a same, right? So what you will do? Very simple. Use your identity. This will be act like A, yeah, A, and this will be B. Just substitute in the identity and will get the answer. See, 502.
500.
Very good, very good. Go ahead.
502 plus 498. So it will be...
Yes, do the addition and subtraction. Very simple. This will give 1000. This will give 4. So your final answer is 4000. See the identities. Use. If you have any number given in the square, see how if you do in the simple way now this question, it will take too much time. But if you use the identity for solving this type of question, trust me, you will get your answer within a second. Alright? Alright?
Yeah.
So whenever the question, see, listen carefully. Whenever your question given in the square form and there is a subtraction sign, always use your identity. You can get your answer within a second. Right? But the same thing if you do 502 times 502. 498 times 498 and then subtract with this. Definitely that process also give the same answer 4000, but trust me, it will take too much time. This method can save your time. Got it? Now same you will apply here, bacha. 8.6 act is as a and this act is a B. This will also give in your answer within a second. Only you have to add and subtract and get the answer. See, 8.6 plus 1.4. Use your identity number 3. 8.6 minus 1.4. Do it fast, addition and subtraction and then multiplication and then done. So when you add it, you will get 10 point. 8.6 minus 1.4 will be 7.2. Right? When you multiply this, we'll get it 72 as you know it. This is your answer. See? Easy? So these...
So when you like do the 8.6 plus 1.4.
Yeah, this will be...
9.
How 9? How 9 beta? See, look at the board. 8.6, 1.4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0. 10. 10.0. So 10.0 we learn it in the like decimals. You can write it 10 only, right?
Yeah, okay.
Or if you are not comfortable, you can write it 10.0. Both are correct way. No, there is no problem. Okay. So when you add it, you will get 10 and you subtract it, will get it 7.2 and then multiply, you know it. If 10 is here, so you will shift it one place to the right. Remember the decimal rule? That's why I always telling you, please revise your the previous chapters, and the previous topic are very important and all are the very fundamental topics. We'll use it in the algebra, geometry and everywhere. Okay, fractions, decimals, all are very important. Okay, done? Any confusion? Both the boys, unmute yourself. Others, unmute yourself. Speak out. Any doubt regarding this topic?
No.
Right? Easy. So now the next topic is factorization when given expression is a perfect square. Okay. In this format, you should know it actually. The identity first and second. We already learned it. Now I am writing again. A square. Your question is converting in this form. Okay. So a square plus b square plus 2ab will give it a plus b whole square. What was your second identity? A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. Remember identities number 1 and 2 we already done. Now come to the questions, then you will understand how you will apply these identities. Suppose your question is x square plus 10x plus 25. What is the topic? Perfect square. Given expression is a perfect square.
Yeah.
Now see how you will do it. Can you think about it? What should we do here?
You take like all the common factors, like x and 5.
X square is a x square, bacha. Okay. 25 is the square of which number?
5. I know. 5.
5. Right? Now look at the board. A square is here, b square is here, the remaining is 2ab. 2 means 2, a means x, b means 5. Right? Yes? Now we are breaking the middle term. Okay? So this is your a. Now see the board. This is your a, this is your b. Right? So this question is converting into which identity? X plus 5 is square. A plus b whole square. So this is x plus 5 whole square. Right? Confusion?
No.
Second is x square minus 20x plus 100. Same techniques will apply here. So x is the square of x as you know it, right? 100 is the square of which number?
10.
10. Absolutely correct. So you can write it 10 square. Now the middle term is 2 times a times b. Alright?
Yeah.
So 2 times a is x, b is 10. See, when you multiply it, look at the board. When you multiply it, 2 times 5 is 10 x. See, this 10 is here. That means we are doing correct. 2 times 10 is 20x. Means 20x is the middle term. That means you are doing correct. Now here the same process. A is act like, x is act like a and 10 is b. So how you can write it in the identity form? X minus 10 whole square. See, the question given in this form, right? Pay attention, boys. The question given in this form and we have converting in this form, right? So we are doing the reverse process. We have done in the identity topic, we have given question in this form and you have been doing this thing, right? Now factorization is a reverse. Question given in this form, you will be break down and then convert into this form. Understood?
Yes.
I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any query or needs practice question, please do let me know in comment.
Now see the question number 3 and question number 4. First we will solve the question number 3. Now you have to make the perfect square. 4x square is the perfect square of 2x, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So 9y square is the square of which number? Please.
3.
3y, right? So 3y whole square. Now this is your a, this is your b. Now they have changed the sequence. It's okay. 2 times a is 2x, b is 3y, right? You just write it down whatever is written here. So a is this, b is here. So this is 2ab, right? This is your format of the identity now. Now what we will write it in the identity? A plus b whole square. So 2x plus 3y whole square. Done. This is your answer. Any confusion? Sure? Boys? No confusion at all, right?
No.
Now, move to the next question. A4. Yes, A4. How you will convert into the square form?
I know.
What?
You do 8 times
A raised to the power 4. How we can write it in the square form?
1a squared.
Yeah, so basically a square raised to the power square. Can we write it like this?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. Plus 25b raised to the power 4. B raised to the power 4, so we can write it 5b square raised to the power square.
Yeah.
Right? Because when you simplify this, you will get back to this part. Right? Now, negative 2 times a is a square, b is 5b square. When you simplify this part, bacha, you will get back to this part. See, this is your act like a, this is b, this is 2, this is a, this is b. When you multiply this, look at the board. 5 times 2 is 10, so 10 is here, right? 10 is here. A square, B square. Yes. Now we did it correct. You can you can verify your answer also if you have any confusion. Now, what is your A here? A is A square minus, because minus sign is here, so your identity is this, okay, negative 1, minus 5B square raised to the power 2. This is your answer, right?
Yeah.
All right. Any confusion?
No, no.
So 4x square, we rotate 2x whole square. Same 9y square, we rotate 3y whole square, right? Because it's a perfect square. Now 12xy, we have breakdown into 2 times a times b according to our identity. So because of plus sign, your identity will make it the plus. So 2x plus 3y whole square is the identity number 1. Now a raised to the 4 plus 25b4 minus 10x squared b squared, right? So you will break it into the square form. So a raised to the power 4, how you will be break down? A square to the power square, right? Same 25b raised to the power 4, how you can break it? 5b square raised to the power whole parenthesis, then you will put the square. So when you open it, you will get back to the second term. 10a square b square, when you multiply these three, you will get back to the 10a square b square. Now what is your a? This is your a, this is your b. Why we have put it the negative sign? Because in front of this 2 we have negative. That means this will be a second identity. So a square minus 5b square whole squared. Okay. So this is your this question. Now the third important part of the factorization is factorization of quadratic trinomials. As you know it, what is trinomials? Tri means 3, nomials means term. When we have the 3 terms, we call it a trinomials, right? Yes. Now check the form. Form you will be see it in this type of question is x square plus px plus q. Now your question is what is p and what is q here. So for factorization, for factorizing x square plus px plus q, we find two numbers a and b. Okay, we'll find two number here a and b. What is a and what is b? Such that a plus b, when you find it, bacha, it will be a p. Okay, it will be a p. And AB means if you find in product form, it will be a Q. Okay? A plus B is your P and AB is your Q. Now, how you will find it? Then your factorization will be. So, the x square plus px plus q, a plus b is equals to p. Now, p is a plus b and q is ab. AB means it's a product form. Now, the format will be x square plus px plus q. So, here you will write it x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now, I replace p with a plus b and q ab. Got it? So how you will write it in this form? X plus a and x plus b. Now we'll learn this type of factorization in the next part. Okay? So this is the format you will see in the coming questions. Okay? Understood or not? Any doubt? What is here? X square plus px plus q will be the trinomial term you will see in the questions. You will be break down into these two part, a plus b, a minus b, okay, and then the answer become like this form. Okay, it will turn into the x plus a and x plus b, or maybe in the negative form according to the sign of the questions. Okay, now come to the questions, so you will understand the concept perfectly. When we do the examples now, then we will be perfect. Now, write down the example number 1. Example number 1 is x square. Don't write anything, okay? I will give you the time for writing. First, understand the very important concept. Very important. Now, the question is this, okay? In this expression is x square plus 8x plus 50, right? Now, find two numbers whose sum is 8 and product is 15. Find out. Logic question. Find out two numbers which you will add it, it will give it 8, but if you product, it will give it 15. Find out.
5.
5 with? Find out two numbers.
3. I was 3.
Correct. Absolutely correct. So the numbers are 5 and 3. Why? When you added 5 plus 3, it will give it 8. When you multiply it, it will give it 50. Absolutely correct. Right? See? Right? We got the same thing. Yes. So now we will write it. X square is x square, bacha. 8 you will be break down with 5 plus 3 as you know it, right? Plus 5 times 3. Why? Now you can see it here. This is the format of your, this is your P, this is your Q. As I explained it in the previous, right? So here is your A plus B. Here is your A times B. Right? We did it now in the previous section. Yeah. Now, how you will solve it? See, x square, you will be using your distributive property here. So 5x plus 3x plus 15. Right? Now,
I know.
Now you will see it in this part. What is the common part you have to take out here? From
5x and 3x.
So when you x is common, so x plus 5 is inside. Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah, you can.
In the next you will take 3 out, so it will become x plus 5 inside. Alright?
Yeah.
Now x plus 5 is common. You will write it x plus 5 in one, and the other you will write it x plus 3 is inside. Now see the previous format I have given in the topic. We got the same format answer, right?
Yeah.
Understood the concept or not?
Yeah. Got
Now,
it.
second question. X square plus 15x plus 56. Find it. Any two number. When you add it, it will give 15, but you multiply, it will give 56. Find it two numbers. Quickly.
8 times 7 and...
Correct. Absolutely. So x square plus 8 plus 7x plus 56. Absolutely correct. Oh, sorry. 56 you will be replaced by 8 times 7. Right? Or you can write it directly 56, because we are just started this topic. So I am writing in the breakdown form. Once you will be perfect, we can write it direct. Okay. X square. Now use your distributive property as you know it. X is outside. Look at the board, boys. X is outside. So 8x plus 7x plus 56. Now what you will do? You will make a pair. You will make a two pair and find the common. So x square plus 8x. What is the common part? X. So what is the remaining part? X plus 8. You will write it down inside the parenthesis. Same. 7x plus 50x. 56. What is the common part? 7?
Yeah, 7.
Yeah, that's correct. So x plus 8, right? always remember this parenthesis must be same. See, x plus 5, x plus 5. Here is x plus 8, x plus 8. That means we are doing correct. Okay. So x plus 8, you will write it the first. What are the remaining part? What are the remaining part? X
and 7.
Yeah. So x plus 7. Now this is your answer. Understood the breaking part? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the videos and subscribe.